Hey, what's up coders and teasers? You all know how to import Excel data to SikuliX, but today we'll see how we can export to Excel from SikuliX. But before going further, kindly bang your head to subscribe button. If you hospitalize, I'm not responsible. Jokes apart. The script will create a log file. Let's see how it will work. Ta-da! Your report is ready. Let's open the Excel. You can see first line as first, second line at second, and third line at third row. If your keyboard is not working anymore for further typing this code, go to my GitHub page and replace your keyboard as soon as possible. Hey, there are two functions. One is header and second is append. You can use it as per your convenience. Let's change those headers and other data. And run it again. Now you can see the header is changed and column 1, column 2, column 3.